I had to just take a look at this thing. I'm rolling around with the windows down, and I really don't know what this thing look like with the windows down. I kind of like it. This truck really looks good, really, from every angle. There's not a bad angle on this truck. It's crazy. Pretty sweet, pretty slick. What you think? Pretty good? I think so. The G-Wagon is one of the most unique SUVs that you can purchase. I know they have nice Range Rovers out there. They got Uruses, Lamborghini trucks, Bentley trucks, Rolls Royce trucks. But above them all, the G-Wagon stands unique, custom built, not like anything else that's out there. Yeah, I know. I mean, the average person can't buy a Rolls Royce truck. And the Bentley truck really ain't all that because they share platforms with the Audi. What is it? A Q7 or something? I think the Urus does too. So really, if the Lambo and the Bentley truck share the same platform as an Audi, are they really unique? I think not. What shares the same platform with a G-Wagon? Nothing. Only a G-Wagon. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I think we got one here. The G-Wagon. A one-of-a-kind truck, baby.